Hello there, mateys and matettes. This is Danger Dave. Not really Danger Dave the Bard, depending on your mythology. But I'm doing my own fashion show here. Hope you can see. I'm going to try to back up into the light a bit and hope I'm not getting too far away. The pirate outfit that I was going to wear, not necessarily pirate. I would have worn my old hat, by the way. This is the ladies' hat. Got it out because I need to tweak it. It's, yeah, a little light on the ruffling, on the stuff. I did get a feather to stay in there a bit though, but it's going to be some glue in on the feathers, and yeah, I don't know. It's hard to store those things, so maybe we just let the feathers fall out as we put them in, as we use them. Don't know about that. There's the hat. Ball vest. It's not real. It's a fake vest. But look at that. And amazingly, that's a 3X. And this is a 2X with my huge neck. Lucky to get it around there. And I know this is all kind of gothish. I would be wearing my, what is it? I'd be wearing my magician with this. Everything's all silvery. Or is it? Not all silvery. So yeah, the magician would have to go on here. Now this would be the prim and proper pirate, as it were. But, and here's the big but, the big conundrum. And the conundrum number one is we can't see that from here. It's going to hide something very easily. Anyway, conundrum will be actually getting better enough to go wear this out. This had come for a Christmas show that I wasn't able to do. So, I mean, I was just too sick. And in fact, I got to get this shirt off because I could tell, you know, with my skin condition, that's way too much starch. So, I'm going to be doing some things throughout the day. Don't expect to see me this well dressed, but I do want to get something out for everybody, and particularly international fashion and fantasy models. Here I am modeling, and I will be working with models as time goes along. I'm not really seeking the internationals now, and I do want to get back to shooting locals because I am focusing on tails. But hey, you know, that's where my heart's taking me. Well, and the collegium magica, that's going to take precedence too, which is related to tails in a lot more ways than just the modeling, which helps produce the tails though. So it's all interconnected, just like all the stories are. Thanks for listening and have a great day. Yes. Maybe he'll actually figure out how to make it stop this time.